Hey everyone, and welcome back to ChatGPT Insights. The tech world is moving at warp speed, and if you blink, you might just miss the next game-changing update. Today, we've got a packed show with some mind-blowing developments that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. We're diving deep into how your private AI chats might be more public than you think. First up, in a move that sounds straight out of a privacy nightmare, Grok chats are now showing up in Google searches. We'll break down exactly how this happened and what it means for your data. Next, we're shifting gears to the Wild West of AI and social media. Even Elon Musk's own fans are starting to make fun of him for his, shall we say, enthusiastic asterisk promotion of his AI tool, Grok. Get ready for some serious laughs and some pointed critiques. And that's not all. We've got a deep dive into a new AI coder that's promising to revolutionize development, plus a look at the future of AI personalization. You don't want to miss this. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Grok Chats exposed, your private conversations now in Google search. This is not a drill. Another AI chatbot, Grok, developed by Elon Musk's XAI, has reportedly made private user conversations searchable via Google and other search engines. This development echoes previous privacy concerns raised with other AI platforms, highlighting a recurring issue where user data, shared through chatbot interactions, inadvertently becomes publicly accessible. The implications for user privacy are significant, especially when prompts can contain sensitive personal information. Grok, launched in November 2023, allows users to share conversation transcripts via a unique URL. However, reports indicate that activating this sharing feature also makes the conversations discoverable by search engines like Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo, often without explicit user awareness or consent. This means that dialogues containing potentially intimate questions about health, psychology, or even instructions for illicit activities could be found by anyone performing a simple search. Forbes reported instances where users asked deeply personal questions, and the BBC noted a conversation where the chatbot provided instructions for creating a controlled substance. This situation underscores a critical debate in the AI industry. Is privacy being treated as an afterthought rather than a foundational element? Experts emphasize the importance of user caution when interacting with AI tools, especially concerning the type of information shared. The ease with which sensitive data can be exposed, even through seemingly innocuous sharing features, necessitates a robust approach to data security and user education. As the AI landscape rapidly evolves, ensuring that privacy is embedded into the core design of these technologies, rather than being a post-development patch, remains a paramount concern. Users are advised to be mindful of the data they input and the sharing options they utilize, as the line between private conversation and public record blurs in the age of AI. The incident serves as a stark reminder for both developers to prioritize robust privacy controls and for users to remain vigilant about their digital footprint. Hold onto your hats, because the AI privacy issues are just the beginning of our deep dive today. Next, we're diving into the wild world of Elon Musk's latest AI antics and the hilarious reactions from his own fans. Elon Musk's AI obsession, even his fans are laughing. Elon Musk's recent promotion of his AI tool, Grok, has taken a peculiar turn, focusing heavily on AI-generated animated women in various states of undress. While Musk's ventures often attract attention, this particular focus has sparked a wave of amusement and even concern among his most dedicated fans on X, formerly Twitter. The sentiment is growing that Musk's obsession with these AI companions might be overshadowing his more ambitious projects, like the colonization of Mars. The AI companions, first unveiled in July, include characters like Ani, a waifish female figure, and Ruddy, a red panda with a penchant for insults. Musk also introduced Valentine, a male character described as inspired by Edward Cullen from Twilight and Christian Grey from 50 Shades of Grey. However, it's the female characters, particularly Ani, that Musk seems to be showcasing most frequently. A recent video shared by Musk depicted Ani dancing in revealing attire, captioned simply, "Ani is okay," accompanied by the OK hand gesture emoji. The animation quality itself has also drawn criticism, with one user comparing the character's movement to something out of The Exorcist. Despite the often criticized quality of the AI-generated content, the core issue for many fans isn't the shittiness of the AI, but rather the perceived diversion of Musk's attention. Critics worry that this fixation on softcore AI porn is detracting from the progress and excitement surrounding his other companies, such as SpaceX and its Mars ambitions. A viral post on X juxtaposed an image of SpaceX's Starship with a blurred animated girl in the background, bearing the text, "Elon, stop looking at her. Look at me. AI girls are temporary. Mars is forever." This sentiment reflects a growing frustration among his base, who feel that Musk's priorities have become misaligned with his long-term vision. Musk's feed is replete with videos of AI women, often animated in ways that appeal to a heterosexual male audience. He recently introduced a spicy mode on Grok, enabling the generation of NSFW images of women, while similar requests for male figures are reportedly blocked by safety guardrails. This selective application of content moderation has not gone unnoticed. Furthermore, Musk's recent tweets, such as one featuring a 4-minute video of women in futuristic outfits with the caption, "I am alive for you," have elicited bewildered responses like, "What is with you, dude?" and "Stop, bro." Some users have sarcastically linked this behavior to Musk's public statements about population decline, questioning how promoting AI-addicted wankers addresses the issue of low birth rates. While Musk does share other content, such as a dystopian video of a flying Cybertruck or a clip of Baby Groot, the overwhelming trend is towards these AI-generated female personas. This focus comes after a period where Grok faced controversy for generating content that praised Hitler and denied the Holocaust, and before that, promoted white farmer genocide narratives. These incidents, coupled with his current AI companion focus, lead some to believe Musk is indulging his personal AI fantasies, regardless of broader implications. With SpaceX's promise of Mars travel hanging in the balance, any perceived neglect of this core mission in favor of AI escorts could alienate even his most ardent supporters. From AI companions that have fans scratching their heads to AI that can write code, the AI revolution continues to surprise us. Get ready, because our next story is about an AI coder that's being hailed as a potential game changer for developers worldwide. Stocks, 15-20-minute delay, SIBO BZX is real-time, ET, volume reflects consolidated markets. Futures and Forex, 10 or 15-minute delay, CT, market data powered by bar chart solutions. Fundamental data provided by Zacks and Morningstar. This brief market data update indicates that stock information from SIBO BZX is provided in real time, while other consolidated markets experience a 15 to 20-minute delay. Similarly, futures and Forex data have a 10 or 15-minute delay, depending on the time zone, CT. The data is powered by bar chart solutions, with fundamental data supplied by Zacks and Morningstar. This information is crucial for traders and investors who rely on timely and accurate market data to make informed decisions. The differing delay times across various market segments highlight the complexities of data dissemination in financial markets and the importance of understanding the source and timeliness of the information being used. For instance, a trader using delayed data for a fast-moving stock might miss critical opportunities or incur losses due to the information lag. Conversely, real-time data from sources like SIBO BZX offers a competitive edge. The mention of specific providers like Bar Chart Solutions, Zacks, and Morningstar points to the infrastructure and services that underpin modern financial data delivery, ensuring that participants have access to the necessary analytics and insights, albeit with varying degrees of immediacy. Understanding these delays is fundamental to managing risk and maximizing potential in trading and investment strategies, especially in volatile market conditions. The disclaimer ensures transparency about the data's origin and timeliness, a standard practice in financial reporting. Now that we've covered the latest in market data, let's switch gears to something that's going to excite all the coders out there. Prepare yourselves for a revolutionary AI coding tool that promises to change the way we build software. Grok 4 coder, Sonic tested. Can Elon's AI outperform top coding tools? Imagine generating thousands of lines of functional code in mere moments, transforming complex projects that once took days or weeks into tasks completed in minutes. This is the promise of xAI's Grok 4 coder, codenamed Sonic. With an impressive 256K context window and the capability to handle diverse outputs from simple HTML pages to intricate 3D simulations, Sonic is positioned not just as another AI tool, but as a fundamental reimagining of coding workflows. The critical question remains: does this unprecedented speed come at the cost of precision, and how does Sonic truly stack up against established AI coding assistants? World of AI has delved into the core features that set the Sonic model apart. Its standout capabilities include lightning-fast code generation, a massive context window enabling it to process and generate extensive codebases, and a remarkable versatility across various programming languages and project types. For instance, Sonic has demonstrated the ability to produce up to 10,000 lines of code for a functional Minecraft clone, showcasing its power in tackling large-scale projects. While the generated code is functional, it's important to note that it often requires further refinement to meet professional, production-ready standards. This makes Sonic particularly adept for rapid prototyping, exploratory development, and generating foundational code structures where speed and initial functionality are prioritized over immediate perfection. Performance benchmarks suggest that Sonic excels in minimizing errors during the code generation process, providing developers with a solid starting point that significantly reduces time and effort compared to traditional manual coding. To complement Sonic's coding prowess, the Vectel AI agent has been introduced as a task management solution designed to optimize developer workflows. Vectel assists by breaking down complex projects into manageable subtasks, offering brainstorming tools, and integrating web search capabilities for research and problem-solving. This synergy between Sonic and Vectel aims to create a powerful combination for developers seeking to maximize productivity and efficiency. Integration into existing development environments is designed to be seamless. Sonic is compatible with popular integrated development environments, IDEs like Visual Studio Code. Setup involves connecting with API providers such as Klein or Roo Code, which offer extensions to simplify the integration process. Once configured, developers can leverage Sonic's capabilities without significant workflow disruption. However, users should be aware of potential limitations, such as observed lag when generating interactive outputs like the Minecraft clone, which could be a concern for time-sensitive projects. Sonic's versatility makes it an ideal tool for a range of applications, including rapid prototyping of innovative ideas, streamlining repetitive coding tasks, and experimenting with creative coding concepts. For developers working on projects like terrain generation, Sonic can produce a functional prototype in a fraction of the time typically required. While it may not replace the need for experienced developers to polish and optimize code for final deployment, Grok 4 coder, Sonic represents a significant advancement in AI-assisted software development, offering a potent blend of speed, versatility, and accessibility. And that wraps up our look at the incredible potential of AI in coding. But before we go, we've got a quick recap of all the top stories and a final call to action. And that's a wrap on another packed episode of ChatGPT Insights. We saw Grok's privacy issues, Elon Musk's fans roasting his AI obsession, market data delays, and the groundbreaking Grok 4 coder. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI news, hit that notification bell, and follow us on all our social channels.